In this Argos support video, we will guide you through resolving an E03 error code on your washing machine. This issue may occur if the pump filter is obstructed, preventing the appliance from draining water correctly. Firstly, switch the appliance off and unplug it from the mains power. Locate the pump filter. This is usually found behind the small access panel in the bottom corner on the front of the appliance. Please note, there may be water remaining inside the appliance that will be released when the filter is removed. We recommend placing towels or a shallow tray beneath the filter to collect any excess water. Open the pump filter cover and carefully turn the filter anti-clockwise to remove it. Inspect the filter and housing for any lint, coins, buttons or other debris and remove any blockages. Once complete, close the pump filter cover. Now, plug the appliance back into the mains power. Select your desired program and press Start. For further support, please visit argos-support.co.uk.